Good day, Sir Tamayo. Praise be Jesus and Mary. This is John William A. Plant Jr., and I'll be giving my quick summary of my documentation about React. So, React is a powerful JavaScript library created by Facebook. It is widely used to build interactive and dynamic websites, especially single-page applications or SPAs. What makes React special is its component-based approach, which helps developers build reusable parts of a web page, making coding easier and more efficient. React follows a declarative programming style, meaning we just describe what the UI or the user interface should look like, and React takes care of the updates. This makes coding simpler and debugging easier. It also supports functional programming, which focuses on writing reusable and predictable functions. With hooks introduced in React 16.8, we can now manage things like state and side effects directly in function-based components. Everything in React is built using components, which is small, reusable pieces of a web page. And there are two types, which is function components and class components. Function components are simply and widely used today, especially with hooks. And class components, an older approach that uses special functions called lifecycle methods to handle updates. However, function components are now preferred. State in React keeps track of data changes and updates the UI accordingly. There are three ways to manage state. First is component state, context API, and external libraries. Component state is best for data that only affects one component. Context API is useful for sharing data across multiple components without passing props manually. Lastly, external libraries, tools like Redux and MobX, help manage state in larger applications. React components go through different phases: starting, updating, and removing. Some key lifecycles functions include component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. Component did mount runs when a component appears on the page, often used for loading data. Component did update runs when data changes. Component will unmount runs before a component is removed or used for cleanup. React is used by many big companies such as Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. Facebook, the one who created React itself, handles posts, comments, and notifications dynamically. Instagram manages photo feeds and real-time stories. Lastly, Netflix updates UI elements like movie recommendations. In conclusion, React makes web development faster, easier, and more organized. With its component-based and state-driven system, developers can build powerful applications efficiently. Whether for small projects or huge platforms, React is a great choice. That's it for this summary. That's all. Thank you.